We are going to set up the Gemini 3.6 for free with the Gemini API Key and integrate it with the 9 router. So to get started, first install the 9 router if you haven't installed, and if you are already have 9 router installed, you can run the 9 router command and 9 router like this, and it will open the local host. So if you haven't installed, just run this command pnpm add /g and 9 router. By running this, it will install the 9 routers inside of your system. So to get started, I'm going to run the 9 router. Now it is running in with this localhost URL. Just click open. So when you first time log in, it will ask for the password, so you can just put the default password that it has given you. Now go to the providers, and inside of the providers click on the Gemini and then click on the get Gemini key. I have already set up the 6 accounts and put all the Gemini API keys one by one. सुनता पे हमारी के करे नहीं है देखो. So now I'm going to create a new API key. Just click on the create API key. Just name it. I'm going to name it 9 router and just select the project. If you haven't created the project, just click on the create and it will create the project for you. So I'm going to select the existing project and click on the generate key. Now it will take some time to generate the key. So when the key is generated, the one thing that you have to do is just copy the key. Now it has created it, so just click on the copy key, head over to 9 router, click on the add, then paste the key here and just click on the check to verify that if it is working or not. Now as you can see, it is valid. Just name it something that you can remember. Now click save. As you can see, it is added. Now you can do this for all the accounts. So I'm going to delete this API key because I have already created this. So you can just click on the account icon and then switch the account and create the API keys for all the accounts. So when you add all of these API keys, then the 9 router, if the one quota is expired, then the 9 router will automatically use the another account and another API key. So to talk about the rate limits, you can see I'm going to toggle the all models and you can see the rate limits of all the models that are offer on the free plan. So you can take a look at this and read about the rate limits of these models. You can see the Gemini 3.6 is listed and you can use it for free. You can see Gemini 3.6 flash, 3.5 flashlight and 3.5 flash. It has a token per minute limit of 250k tokens and it is a limit of 5 requests per minute, I think. Yes, request per minute, you can make 5 requests per minute. These are the some of the rate limits. So once you configure these, so I'm going to test it with the Pi coding agent. So I'm going to just enter pi and it will run the Pi coding agent. So when I click on the /model and just type the Gemini to search the model, you can see it has listed all the models. So if the Gemini 3.6 is not listed, I'm going to show you how you can add the Gemini 3.6 inside of the 9 router. You can see it is replying to us. Now if the Gemini 3.6 is and will be not added, So to add this, just you have to click on the add model and put the model ID. For example, if I want to add the Gemini 3.6, I have to put the Gemini and then the complete model ID like this. So when I click test or add, it will add the model. So this is the whole process that you can use the Gemini 3.6 for free using the 9 router, and by using 9 router you can use the these models for free in all of these in all of these providers and harnesses. As you can see, I have connected it with the codex and codex application. Also in my previous video I have shown you how you can set this up inside of the anti-gravity, and I have also set this inside of the codex CLI, and the one other is T3 code.